The educational website I found for students is called MakeMeGenius.com. And this website is really interesting because it really has something for everybody. If we take a look at the home page right here, you can see from this red box where my cursor is, we're on the home page. If I come over here and scroll down, you can see that it's grades kindergarten through 7th grade. And I've taken a look at each of these grades, and they all offer many different varieties of learning skills and strategies that's appropriate for the age group that we're talking about. And if I scroll back up, something I want to mention immediately, they have a featured video. You can see right here at the top it says featured video, and it's Do You Believe in Ghosts? This is something that is pretty cool also because it grabs your attention immediately. As a student, do you believe in ghosts? Whatever the featured video is, they want to engage you and really draw you into their website. So that's something that I really liked about this site as well. If we go back over here to this red square, this red rectangle, we have all these options. We have English science videos, cool facts, educational PowerPoints, jokes for kids, Hindi science videos, science test and quiz. So there are a bunch of different categories to look at while on this as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of these grade levels. Let's just go with 1st grade. And once again, once you click on your grade that you want to go to, they have a video right in the beginning, Science for Kids videos. And then over here on the left, we still have all of the same categories as before: cool facts, educational PowerPoints, jokes for kids, Hindi science videos, and science test quiz. And then if we can scroll down a little bit to the bottom, we also have, it's taking a minute to load, there we go. We also have many other videos appropriate for 1st grade. So hibernation and migration, day and night explanation, 4 seasons for kindergarten. There's so many videos, and all of these videos are educational videos, and the students can really learn a lot for this. I think that this would be a great website to, as a teacher, let your students know about, and even as a parent, to do some research on that. Whenever they're not in school, they're on spring break or summer vacation or Christmas vacation, they have these websites that they can still go to and keep up with their knowledge that they already have of these categories. So let's go down here to cool facts. We're still on 1st grade, and we can pick when I was looking at this earlier, each grade level, they have all of these same categories that are over here on the left-hand side. They're all the same. And then these cool fact categories are also the same. So 1st grade and 7th grade, they all have these same categories, but of course they are appropriate to the age group with what they are sharing, the information that they're sharing. So let's go down here to science test and quiz. I just want to click on a few things to give you an idea of what it's like. And then we have all of these. Now you notice at the top this time there are no videos that show up automatically because these are tests and quizzes for your students. But these are pretty cool because, as you can see, there's so many different categories. We have germs and diseases, food pyramid nutrition quiz, digestive system quiz. Everything is very different and very interesting once you get into learning it. So I think that this website is definitely worth a second look to parents and teachers and students. And like I said, it has something from grade kindergarten to grade 7. And it's very interesting. I think that it will definitely be worth your time to take a look and see what this website has to offer.